coming. Oh, that thing growled. All right, we are here in the downtown Denver Aquarium. We're pretty excited to see some fish, so let's go. The Downtown Aquarium is a public aquarium and restaurant located in Denver, Colorado. This aquarium first opened on June 21, 1999 as Colorado's Ocean Journey. Filled with over 1 million gallons of water, this complex showcases ecosystems from around the world. Our family marveled at over 500 species of marine life and got hands-on with the Stingray touch tank. Come join our family as we explore an entire world of underwater adventure. Our car is in the parking lot, so you know when you do get here, there is a parking fee. At the time of filming, it was $8 to get in. The aquarium is right here, and the parking lot's right across the street. So folks do ask how we get our tickets. We use the Denver City Pass. This is one of them. Just know that at the aquarium, you will need to reserve your tickets, and there's a way to reserve it, whether you buy it individually or within City Pass. If you made online purchases or even the City Pass, you will have to stand in line because you need to get the wristbands. All right, what's the next plan? We got our bracelets?
Escalators, yeah.
All right, escalators the next thing. One thing I'm most excited about is seeing how different this is compared to the other aquariums we visited. One big difference is you can actually feed the stingrays and not just pet them. And what is this that I see right here? It looks like an underwater scuba gear. You know I gotta check this out. There's everybody else. One thing I like about being here is just really excitement.
Oh my gosh, she's so excited. She's like screaming.
It's a snapping turtle.
Where?
Right there.
Whoa, that guy is sleepy. They really did a lot of work with the surrounding area. It makes it look like you're right there in the middle of nature.
It's an adult.
Here.
Oh, behind you, you missed it.
The Colorado state fish is the greenback cutthroat trout. Right over here.
Oh, all these guys?
Yeah.
Right here we have Critter Canyon. This section looks like it's the meet and greet of the animals. So you get to peek in other people having fun. And if you want to book your own meet and greet, you can do it online. I think this is how people would feel as they take a little walk to the journey to the center of the earth. To fully enjoy this aquarium, take your time. This is not one of those bigger aquariums where you have to rush through everything. Oh, whoa! Oh my God! That was scary. That was a lot of water. And I like how you're able to look like right above, so it seems like you are right in the place. With this aquarium, it's kind of like a little maze that you go through. It's not as big as Shed Aquarium, but I really like this experience.
Wow, that's so cool.
With all the stingray we saw, we are so excited to pet and feed the stingrays.
Dear ocean, won't you talk to me and say, what are you waiting for?
Look at this, guys. Right here.
They get some really big stingrays here.
Oh, look at the turtle.
The what?
That's pretty cool. Oh, hi guys. Hi guys. This one's themed more like a boat section.
Take the camera.
And show everybody around. Watch your head though.
So, guys, so there is like, you know, we're in a big bubble and there's fish all around us. Guys, here's a big stingray and here's a fish. Here's a fish here. And look, there is some clams.
Piranhas.
Piranha is your favorite.
For those that don't know, I used to have a piranha right after I got out of school. Yeah, I bought these piranhas. They were like a dime size, but after a year, they were like about almost this size. It was It was scary cleaning the tank. Melissa, I think out of all the aquariums we've gone to, the theming at this place is the best.
Oh, I love it.
Hands down. Every place, there's not a space wasted on the decoration. It even feels like it's raining because they have these little mist things at the top. I thought it was raining for a little bit there, but okay, I'm good. I'm not going crazy. I think this is the first aquarium I've gone to where there's a tiger. We looked high and low for this tiger, so Melissa went up with Rosalie to see if she could get a better view. So the tiger is hiding right over here, right behind the bamboo, where we can't see him. So maybe next time. Ah! Cannot go to an aquarium without finding Nemo. Hey Nemo. Hey, it's Dory.
Oh yeah.
This section looks like the motherland, the Philippines.
Oh, nice.
The Downtown Aquarium is also known for its mystic mermaids. They do an under the sea exhibit show, but it's only on certain dates, and today was not one of them. So we had to settle for Scuba Steve. And Scuba Steve is just cleaning the glass here, but I think a shark's coming. Watch out, Scuba Steve. This is the shipwreck area.
Ooh, a lot of sharks.
They look. Whoa. Yes. Oh, it's coming right behind you. Rosalie is way braver than me. No way I would do this.
I got stung by a jellyfish on my butt once. It didn't feel good.
She wants to touch a jellyfish.
I've never gotten to touch a jellyfish. That was kind of cool.
I'm so scared.
I know, man, right? I'm just shooting a video. You did it, Rosalie. After petting the stingray, our family wanted to level up and try to feed them shrimp. All right, this is stingrays. Can we get 2 of them?
Thank you.
No way I'm doing this, but the family likes it, so let's see how they go.
I'll show you first. Watch. Watch.
Punch, like you're gonna punch the other fingers. Okay, okay, Addison. What was that?
Rosalie, you're not doing it?
Oh, that thing growled! I did not know that stingrays growled. Okay, well, Addison, your turn. What happened? How come we ended up giving it away? What happened?
I want to get eaten.
So my final thoughts on the aquarium, it's really nice for the family. Probably one of our favorites. It is one of the smaller side, so it didn't take too long to get around, but the immersive experience totally made it worth it. If you're looking to do more things in Denver, click the video link right here to learn more about the Denver Zoo.